spread the word of freedom. APC secret. Show them we know. Show them we know. Show them we know. In the mountains of the no matter how this are from, I know something is still make up. No matter how this are from, I know something is still do a more. Make me take it back a little. Make me forward the right way. Talk me back our family. For sure, the bad people, they don't try. We need pursuance of it. We need pursuance of the hour. Pursuance of this speak the grammar. Pursuance for the patient. We need an intelligent person. We need pursuance of it. Show what we know. Show what we know. Show what we know. In the mountains of it. On behalf of His Excellency, she the one for Governor of Enugu State, 2019. We must take it back on, whether they make us or not. Was it integration or ratio? Or we will correct on yes, and I will be president. It's not that I will be president. You see, I'm not from Investa. I'm a Nigerian, and I'm going to be president. And you will lose the election next year, and you will go back to what you used to do before now. That's the truth. Yes, I'm promising you. Yes, I'm a Nigerian like you. That's right. I am a Nigerian like you, said by Omoyele Sowore. There's a revolution that is going to break today. So I'm going to break the news, and it's going to help all political parties. So I want everyone to go ahead and share the word of freedom. I have a special duty today. I'm not going to be long online. As soon as I get off online, I'm heading straight to my special duty work. So I am begging everyone, go ahead and spread the word of freedom before we reveal their secret, their little secret. Please, if you have a pen there, get it ready to write the account number, and to be able, if Destiny is there, or any of the PFM coordinators, admins, get your paper ready. As soon as people are donating, I am going to call on the number, you write it down. So later on, you send it to me. So thank you all. So let's spread the word of freedom now. Because in this life, if you don't do something good, you are not going to get the reward. That is what this music is all about. Ama mi son, amiwa. If you are supporting AAC, support it with open heart, with your clean mind. If you want to support Sowore, thank you, Ostino. If you want to support Sowore, support him with your clean mind. Don't be a double man. Don't be a spy. A spy inside AAC. You know? I mean, don't do that. Because you want money, this man is struggling, suffering, not because he wants to be president, because he's tired of the corruption, just like I am. Why can't we all come together and support him? Then we have a lot we're going to talk about. So just stay tuned. Many people say, if you don't suffer, you not go get enjoyment. You have to suffer first and get the reward. Ama mi son, amiwa. That is the meaning of this music. For some many people, maybe 2% that don't want to work at all, but they want their name to be known. They want to be popular. We will make them popular. We will, instead of putting them Hall of Fame, we will put them in Hall of Shame. Thank you. Ama mi son, amiwa.
Idiots hit makers upon the bit. It has been prophesied that every good thing is coming my way right now. Okay, so I pay my dues, baby. Alright. Open those days. I'm a mere song and you wow. I'm a mere song and you wow. Go to not be way, talk be way, get down. Okay, go to not be your man, talk be your man, tama. Alright. I'm a mere song and you wow. Okay. Your Yetima, no win a name for a in weather, Yavena, Nanario Carrion, Nanario Carrier Conca, Yetima, what you said, Yetima,
Showtime, live from Dallas, Texas. The princess, you don't come again. You talk, I talk.
You touch, I talk. You are my hammer. Don't be my fault. When you're I'm a mere so that you are. I'm a mere so that you are. What you know, be wait, get down. What you know, your man,
That's right, and what I'm free.
Showtime, baby. Live from Dallas, Texas. Showtime. I will expose anything. They say I'm a talkative. I am a talkative. So what? I am a talkative. I'm doing my job. You do your spread the word of freedom. It's time. Awesome. That's right. Awesome. Mega comrade. You know what I'm saying? So let me tell you people, you know, there is no fire without a smoke. As APC are planning their hidden agenda, Mega comrade already plant. You know what we call plant? We plant our men around. Akataka. Mega comrade is so powerful. You see this my little thing that God have given me, and the wisdom, unwavering wisdom God have given me. Oh my God, I would rather pray for you to have wisdom from God than to be called a useless master degree holder, a useless doctor degree holder, or even a useless professor. Pamphlet degree. Some people will say, I have a master in chemical engineer, and they will be doing car washing. So we say, I am a solar panel architect engineer. I am a professor. I read in Cambridge University, or I graduated from University of AAU or Uniben, whatever they call it, with pamphlet degree. But they will go to Europe or go to London and do a Gitman. How can you be? And they will say, they will go to vocational college, they will call it master degree. And you are still a Gitman, a security Gitman, not even a security guard, a Gitman, just a Gitman. Gitman. If my son study, my son is an aeronautic special intelligence officer. If my son get out of the military and is not working, maybe he's not bringing in half $1,000,000 every year, I will know that he did not go to that school, right? Thank God the military training. How can I be a security man, or I will read criminal justice, then I will go and be doing a road cleaner? Does that make sense? You will go, you will call yourself a smart man, but the only thing that you are smart of, you are a mastermind, what the FBI call criminal mastermind. You are the greatest manipulator. He can break it, he can break any code. It's a criminal fraudster. Fraudster, to cover up, you'll be doing a security guard. But there's nothing wrong with that. If you are doing your job and you are hiding it, when you try to put others in problem, I am conducting investigation on him already. If I find out that was the same guy, FBI is looking for him. That is the fact. So I will expose you. That is my job. Expose. I expose corruption, any criminal activity, anything that will jeopardize the innocent poor citizen life. because you are smart to maneuver your way. But the poor citizen, we are not educated. God gave us education. We are not pamphlet. We are not holding any pamphlet degree. Me, you know me, everybody know me. I am the king of the poor. I don't care about grammar. All I care about how my innocent poor citizens are going to survive the next and the next generation. That is all I care about. My life is good. My life is good. I can't complain. I thank God Almighty. When you believe in God Almighty or you believe in Allah, I am an independent man. Nothing will stop you from excelling. You know, even the political cabal cannot stop you. So, as I declare, Muhammadu Buhari must go in January 9-10, 2018. A lot of people were scared. They can't even talk to Muhammadu Buhari. They were scared. When Mega Comrade declared Muhammadu Buhari was go, they never believed it. But the reality is kicking in now. Just like a few days ago, I declared a revolution. Uprising. A lot of people are taking it as a joke now. Some even call me a noise maker, which I am happy to not make. I will make that noise until your eardrum get busted. The bomb make noise. Jet make noise. Jet bomber, they make noise. They don't come silent. They come. The whole world will shake. That is how it is. I am a noise maker. Call me whatever you want to call me. But I will teach you how that noise will sound. When it comes, boom, the whole world will say, what the hell? When you fire a weapon, it doesn't go, it will loud. Your ear, you will feel the noise. Call me whatever you want to call me. Let them say, no problem. So we are going to, like what we have been doing since yesterday. I finally decide a couple of days ago to take total control and help secure Edo State for Omoyele Sowore. Because I saw the way he was going. People were complaining. Here and there. We know there are good people that are out there who are ready to work. But fortunately, the mastermind, the architect of manipulator that know how to manipulate, all it does is destroy, damage. Osama Kaaba of London. Osama Bin Laden Kaaba of London. We are going to cage him. We will cage him. It's a spy to AAC. A spy is an agent. It's a spy to AAC. It is APC spy. APC spy. He's already inside AAC. All he knows how to do is complain, whine, cry, like a little baby. When you see him, you think, oh wow, look at this guy. A fearless man. He's a coward. When we started, he will say, if I'm blaming, I don't want to die. Let go and settle with the bad like you. Yeah, me, go and collect. It's after money. It's after money. He's a coward. A rat. Offend. Oh, we are going to talk about that. What he cannot do when he see others doing it, he will be so jealous. Jealousy of almost destroyed his entire life. For 3 months now, I left Edo State platform for him. He know how to recruit people. He have destroyed good people in London. He gave London bad name. We will expose you so that others will know you. You cannot be able to poison other or to penetrate other. I'm going to expose you today to the whole world to know. You want to be famous. You want to be popular. I'll make you popular. You are the problem of AAC in Edo State. Only one man. He has a group, but thank God, one of the responsible men quickly, we spoke this morning, he was shocked. He don't even know him. So he was able to resolve immediately. Oh, I respect this man. He said, Mega Comrade, how do we make Sowore win Edo? That is a genuine man. That is and fight against your enemy with you. If you later find out that it's a double agent and he run and start fighting you, that confirms everything. If you are helping, let's say right now, like yesterday, let me make an example with a Bush Lion. Yesterday, Bush Lion volunteered to donate 100 euro, which I send him the account number. Tomorrow, I start fighting Bush Lion. After he donate that money, I will start fighting. Does that not make me a fool? It will make me a fool. So, he's helping Showore. He's supporting Showore with money. Why will I be fighting him? That is a clear example. Everything he has done to me, I will just push it aside. I don't bring my personal problem into AAC. My personal problem, I put it outside the door. I manage different companies. They always tell you, and when I went to management course, I was trained that whatever circumstances you are going through at home, immediately you enter the gate or you enter your office, drop it at the door. When you leave that company, carry your problem, put it in your head. If you want to carry your basket, I'll take it home. That is how I was trained. Writing London people. All they know how to write is write. Only one person have destroyed the name of London. Only one person. Only one person. And you people will be shocked. Only one person. When he will run to any group that they create, he's the first person to run there. When he will run, they will tell you, he will complain, the group is scattered, Then you will say, okay, you go and do it. He will go there, he will take control, then he will be complaining, then he will not write a long list. He will not have Kaaba, what I call Osama London Kaaba. Osama Bin Laden London Kaaba. They will not go and write a long list. He's very, very smart. I said it's criminal mastermind. Criminal mastermind is the architect of manipulator or manipulation, whatever you call it. He can manipulate you. He can draw you. It's like a scorpion. I should be calling the London Scorpion Kaaba. Scorpion. What do you do to scorpion? You cut it. You expose that scorpion. Then people will know who he is. He has completely destroyed Edo State before a few days ago, when we decided to take total control of Edo State. Everyone know Henry Owuye is doing a standing job. Henry Owuye, everybody know Henry Owuye. I will make him popular, more popular, more popular, more popular, and I will put him in Hall of Fame. Because someone that is doing good job, you have to praise that person to motivate others. But you cannot tell me, because I'm praising who is doing good job, I'm saying who is not doing good job, so we should just be silent about it. That is called corruption. You want to take credit on what you are not doing. You want to take credit on other people's job. Mega company will never allow it. So we will expose you. At the end of the day, people will know you. You want to be on social media? I want you to come on social media so that people will know you. They will know you. We will expose you. Everybody already know me. At the talk, now my job. At the cost, now my job to cause political leader. If you are one of the aspire, you are a fair game. If you are corrupt in a private sector, you are a fair game. Everybody know me. I'm a naked man to the whole world. The whole world know me. I am proud of what I am. Everybody know me. Mega company love women. I love women. Mega company want to have a lot of children. But I'm not like you that go around and be sneaky, looking at small children in school where you are doing your security in London. You will cut the video and be sharing it. Is that kind of person we want in AAC? No, you are a pedophile. You are you are promoting children porno. All we do is we pick up because he's doing security gate man guard. He will carry phone. He will call everywhere in the whole world. You know, when you are in gate man or they put you in a gate, if you are doing security, there are different stages of security. There are good one, there are lazy one. There are up security, there are upscale, there are level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. If you are level 1, you just take it there. Then they have the time to do whatever they are doing. So they have the time to gossip. A man who is married that will call another man's wife and be gossiping, talking like a man, and say, oh, only one manipulate me. Oh, that woman just manipulate me. That woman has oh, that woman has this. Then you know that person is a useless boy. He might be grown. He's nobody. I want AAC. I warned them about this guy. I warned them. I said, this guy, after he gain your trust and he win you, he will not go and send you a big list. Don't insult the Kaba. Don't insult Obaseki. Don't do this. He will call you, let's take money. When you say no, he will say, what are we fighting for? They thought I was joking. I left them. I said, watch. About a month ago, 2 months ago, this boy has single-handedly made good people in London, like Ify. Ify is a good guy. I know that guy is from here. That is what, and someone that recommended to me told me he's a good guy. And AAC were praising Ify until this boy penetrated Ify. He destroyed him, seriously. I'm saying it on social media so that they will know him. Like as he was about to destroy Pa Dikin Arawa. You see, I put it Pa Dikin Arawa in London. This is a Benin permanent man. People have told me they respect. This is a rat. He don't want to work for anything. He don't want to work for anything. He has been a scammer all his life. He's from Germany. He moved to London. A scammer all his life. Froster. You remember when they were using Western, you know, some of them put me in trouble here that FBI are looking. I want to be sure if that is the boy, so that we just hand over him to the FBI. They will tell you they are selling goods. Why help him? After you help them, you ask them, what goods are you selling? They will run. You know, I'm a victim of a 419 many times. So my duty as a investigator is to investigate the roaches and root them out. You know what I mean? You cannot be insulting Sowore outside. Then you come inside, you say, you insult Sowore to other people, then you come say you are supporting Sowore. We are not going to tolerate it. So that is number one. When I told people about this boy, they never believed me. No, Osahon in London. Until he joined the Kaba, they were going to do fundraising. They sent out a memo. They said, this is what we want AAC to do. TRB, if you don't do this in TRB, we will resign. Nobody put Sowore in ransom. When you want to keep Sowore and get Sowore automotive, Sowore team, they will leave you. They are too smart. They said, okay, you want to resign, you want to drop or whatever. This boy manipulated the rest people. They canceled that fundraising. The same way they try to do in PFN, we fire him. I know the rest people are good. He was the mastermind. I told them. They now say, hey, mega company said this. Nothing. He do nothing. He will first of all invest maybe $200 or $400. Bam! That's it. Then he will start. Then you think, oh, more are coming. It's a lie. This boy is a criminal. It's APC agent inside AAC. He create problem. Every day, complain. Yesterday, I was praising Henry Owe. I brought out Henry Owe account number. Bam. He said, Mega Comrade do governor poster. Since when I do governor poster, even before Sowore, I already do governor poster. I already do. I'm going to do the publicity today. I already do governor poster. He didn't say no to. He's the one that Kabaka used to try to hijack AAC. He's the one that called Kabaka after I brought Kotisubo. He's the one that told them money is here because you know how to talk. When I exposed them, he became bitter. He crushed himself. When they cancel, how can you cancel things and you don't redo it? You cancel, you can redo it. If really you want to help Sowore. He's a quitter. And he's going to quit on AAC very soon. He will quit when you cut him. He's a quitter. I don't quit. I suspend. Learn from me. When you see things are not going where, you tell them, you suspend yourself. My son told me, he said, Daddy, before you take any action, think of the consequences of your action. Pause. a minute. Analyze the consequence before you go to the what you're going to benefit. When you think about it, then you take the action. This guy, he will quit on them, and everything AAC are doing, he will copy them. He know how to record. You know, he's very smart. As he's a criminal mastermind. When you are holding a ESCO meeting online or phone or through teleconference meeting, this boy will record everything. He can record 30 days without stop. He will use it against you. I am opening warning AACTIB UK to look and watch Osahon. Osahon Bilad is a criminal mastermind manipulator. Osahon Biladi UK Kabak. I told you, whatever you do here, it will haunt you for the rest of your life. When I saw they sent me a long list, I removed them. I fired him for PF and I said, look at this guy, want to hold me ransom. Look at this boy. Are you the dreamer? He said, before you enter all, I don't cause, becoming, he published it after 1 year, 2 years. He will store them. This boy, you don't know, he's very, very smart. But he's smart he's smarter than Lawrence Anini. When you say Obaseki is architect of Ponzi scheme, this one is quadruple Obaseki. If Obaseki knew who will help him scam, they should go and call Osahon Biladi. Every permanent people, you want to penetrate on you. So this is open message to AAC and people in London, people in Edo State. Beware of Osahon. Osahon is a problem in Edo State. For 3 months now, that we left Edo State for him when he tried to bring Kabaka to be the chairman of AAC in Edo State. He almost destroyed AAC completely. When he tried to do it, I was going to say more today, if not because of Deacon Arawa, that I told I am going to go down a little bit, but I need to let people know who this boy is. He wants to be all of fame. I will make him all of shame. As I'm talking to you now, this boy is looking for money. Like a Deco. I think it's Deco. The movie brother. He's not my enemy. I don't know. The only reason why I'm not supporting campaigning for him is because the way he left his brother. And ever since Bush Lion talked to me, and I think it's Abba too, that is supporting him. You see, I never come here and criticize them. I don't know him. I don't criticize people that I don't know. It's what I know I say. Immediately, he rushed into it. He said from Ovia. When we ask her, what have you done in Ovia Northeast, in the platform? He could not say, he said, I already doing B. Later, he said, in Mama now, what have you done? Tell us what you have done. 0 to show for it. 0. What did Henry Ware do to you? Everybody knows Dr. Greg Obo. Dr. Greg have been manipulated. Osahon is the one that is bringing Dr. Greg down. When they want to remove Dr. Greg, few months ago, about 4 months ago, I was the only one that called London and told them, leave this man alone. Let him walk, let's watch him. Until everybody started complaining. The same Osahon is a rat. He's the one that is backstabbing Dr. Greg, and he's the one that immediately announced that Henry Ware is doing Dr. Greg work, and he went to Atona. Now inside was up in day. He go the rat, he can tap 1 million words per minute. The only reason, like Omorige, you know John Omorige. Omorige is better than him 100%. Because Omorige will write and he will stand by it. Osahon will write. When public come, he will say, he will run. As you see him there with Osama Bin Laden. Let me show you his picture so that you know who I'm talking about. I don't just call people. And he was fired in PFM. Is people, if you really want to use people, is it people that that other organization fired they could not work with? They can try them. So, but somebody that brought Tony Kabaka into this group to come and be AAC chairman. Hey, man. Can you imagine? This boy continued all night. I did not sleep. He was creating problem here and there. Here and there, here and there, here and there, here and there. Problem. I say, what is all this for? Who is this guy? Let me quickly show you so that you will know the person I am talking about. Is AAC problem in Edo State. Is the one that brought Tony Kabaka. Is the one that secretly put Tony Kabaka, tried to paint Dickens Arawa as a bad man. Thank God that one just, that man, I call him Arawa. I respect him. When you made a mistake, you know where you made a mistake, you correct it, it is good. We all have to work together. But the intruder, the rat among us, have to be removed before things will settle down. If we want Sowore to win, that is the truth in Edo State. That is the truth. 100% truth. Let me do one thing how I can put this out. I want people to see what I'm talking about. We have not even started. The information I get every day, he will never get it. Yesterday we raised money. Almost everybody that pledged money have put money into the account. Almost. Instead of you to be thanking Henry Owie, be thanking People Freedom Movement, be thanking Mega Company because you were fired from People Freedom Movement, then you hold out your personal problem and took it to destroy Edo State, AAC. We are not going to allow you to do that. Well, Mega Company will expose you. 100%, I will expose you. 100%. This is the Osama Bin Laden. This is Osama Bin Laden of UK. Is the mastermind. Look at him. My bad way. Okay. Yeah, nah. Walk by. Oh, Joba Yehu. Okay. What about you? Okay. Oh, Joba Yehu. When it's time to walk, he will tell you, my family no want make a die. Now you go come walk. He go come. He go just manipulate. He go come reap the fruit of your labor. May God not let nobody reap the fruit of your labor in Jesus' mighty name. Anybody that this boy is calling, talking to in Benin, ask him, look at him, Osama Bin Laden, see, Kaba. Look at it. Look at him. Oh, Joba Yehu. He will tell you, my wife want to leave me because of PFM. Okay, go and settle it. I spoke with his own wife many times. He will laugh. His wife will say something different. I will tell him. But you didn't say this. I tried to train him. People don't, I know him very well. Very well. Very well. When somebody want to bring their own problem, the other time he called me, I don't suffer for AAC. I know how much I've lost. When I asked him, how much have you lost in AAC? He could not give me a figure. Mastermind, criminal. That is what the FBI call mastermind. He's the key mastermind. Very, very smart. He can write 1 million words in 1 minute. And he will go, those that will attack him, he will first of all go and bribe them. So you know him. He went where I was yesterday. Was writing rubbish on my line. On my line, Rudivier, he mona ladder. When go the picture no amola. Hey DJ always. I mean, I bet you of UK. You know, na you ani. The beggar, nimwe nok ba you go na he. You wanna he. Osama Bin Laden of UK. Osaho of UK. Osama Kaba in London. You cannot sink Edo State because of your greed. It will never happen. It will never happen. You know what I'm saying? There is a gentleman in Benin. He called me a couple of months ago. He told me, say, Pa, I want to, there's nothing going on in Edo State. Even the same London people call me, they say, Greg is not doing anything in Edo State. That is not a secret. Everybody already know that Greg was not doing anything. Because don't blame me. Osaho have manipulated him. He's a small boy. He's a doctor, but sometimes, you know, common sense is not common. A doctor. is in Uniben, you are a doctor, you are a civil servant. A good politician, a genuine politician, knows that a civil servant cannot be a major party chairman. No. You cannot be answering to Muhammad Buhari and we expect you to deliver for us. No. One APC pull out that will pull, ask a question. The guy is a brain. He's studying University of Benin. This guy, Commissioner Osakwe family, Kennedy, his name is Kennedy. Kennedy Bobo. He is a na book, it is scatter book. When you say person, the scatter book, na him. He is the one that led me to University of Benin. When I was not admitted, I was going to school, go class with him. When he asked one question, he said, you are a civil servant. He said, politics is not what you think. He said, politics is a war. And those state politics is a war. When they carry everything, you carry. He said, when politics start, this guy will run. Except he's ready to lose his job. And those state governor can just call him and say, you are fired. Or Abuja can just send him a letter. University of Benin belongs to federal. Is that true or false? Only that question he asked, this boy become. That is a genuine question. Then he said, you know, from there he complained. People from Europe, when I heard that people from Europe, they talk too much. That is why you don't carry phone. They talk too much. You are a political leader and you are scared of people talking. Ha! I want to tell you with politics. This is why I respect Abatobaze, even though that boy have insulted me. Abatobaze, I learned something from him. He said politics is you talk your own, I talk my own. He said, I agree your about in APC. He said, I agree your politics. You talk your own, I talk my own. Now he damn him say. Now he damn him say. I jagi. Yeah, I analyze it now. You analyze it. I want the whole world to know what is happening, how we can change Edo State and make Edo State more so that other, like I said, we're going to redesign everything, re-strategize everything. Other states will learn from Edo State. I said it. And right now, even APC called me this morning and said, Mega Comrade, AAC is right now. I said, you see? And I will open how everything was done. Yes, we know that. So, let me go straight to this thing right here. Please, brothers and sisters, share this video before I bring out this information that I'm about to bring out right now. Please go ahead and share it. Please. Please. We thank God. We will expose it. APC planter. We will expose it.
Thank you.
Must become the president of Nigeria. Nobody can stop it. Everybody knows it. And we expose you. Nobody can stop us. Yes. Thank you, Lord Almighty.
I will lift up my eyes.
That's right.
To the hills. For ends come.
Amen. Nobody can stop Shore. No one dare try hurricane. Not even the military. Shore is a hurricane. that is going to blow around from north to south of Nigeria, from east of Nigeria to west of Nigeria, and the middle belt, which I happens to come from. You know? So, okay, I want to ask everyone a question. Why won't you trust somebody? Today, Harry Owe called me. No, he didn't call me. Send me a message. He said, "Pap," he lists everybody that have donated into his account. He lists everybody. Even while I was rushing to come online, a lady from Italy were calling me, "Epa, I am going to put the money. I need Harry Owe number." I gave it to her. Somebody that is doing outstanding work. Few months ago, a man that I want everyone to pray for, to thank, before we start. About 2 months ago, or a month ago, even though that I left Edo State for them, I focused on Texas. As the state of Texas coordinator, it was my duty to do what I have not been able to do in Texas, which we have done. We thank all the old members of AAC and the executive of Texas AAC chapter. With collective effort, we were able to do what a lot of states could not do. And we thank God. It's not quantity, but quality. And I thank every member of AAC across the whole world who were there for me with prayer. Even during this time, while after Osahon failed to plant Tony Kabaka inside AAC, a PFM member called me. His name is no other than Mr. and Mrs. S.A. Oyen, who live in UK, London. They moved from Spain to London. He called me and said, "Pa, there's nothing going on in Edo State." I said, "We heard it. If Edo State go down, it's Greg and the Kaba fault. I'm going to let them do it, provided I do good in Texas." But when I was working with National, not National, I was working directly for Sowore. People call me. Edo people, some of them were insulting me. "You are raising money for Sowore." Even now, they still call me. Even some were calling me a Yoruba. I don't care. I continue doing it. Until when we went to convention in New York, the Director General called me, said, "Mega comrade, you say you are a leader. Prove that you can lead. Go and feast Texas." What we call Texas. Go and feast it. I look at it. I say, I'm doing good by working directly with Sowore. Why do I need to go and carry another problem? I am here trying to make PFM become one of the most formidable organizations. Then I call some of my executives in PFM. They approve it. Then I say, okay. Many people say, if masquerade not dance for house, you know they dance for outside. How can I say I'm working directly for Sowore? My state is not good. Where I am living is not good. Where I come from is not good. How can I become a leader? I ask myself. I remember what they said Obaseki did. He called up APC. He said, "Did you win your boot? Did you win your word?" Even PDP, they will ask you, even Pastor Saki say, "When win a word, where?" That's the first question we ask you. Did you win your word? Did you win your state? Did you win your local government? Is the question. Unfortunately, APC and TRB share posts without all this because they have no previous history. But we will now find out that a lot of them were in for money. Those that were in for money were slowing down. They were trying to wait in the moment they can sell AAC. But because of the smart people Sowore surround himself with, people like Dr. Malcolm, Dr. Lawal, and others, they were able to detect threat and de-escalate the threat before it arrived. Sowore were able. Sowore has smart people. Smart people. Someone like Director Dotun, very smart. Olufemi, Engineer Olufemi, Engineer Fakole. These are people that are doing smart people. So they were able to de-escalate their plan. At the end of the day, Sowore were shocked that these people's name was already in their slot. Carried and sponsored by Greg. Dr. Greg is a doctor. A doctor that cannot use his doctorate to doctor AAC in Edo State. For more than 7 months, there was nobody. A doctor. This is why we pray that we should never be a doctor that will be looking for other doctor to help us in Jesus' mighty name. The new doctor we have in Edo State is Harry Owe. I don't know Harry. Harry is not my family. I am not from Ovia. I am from Orion Bovia. But when I see good, I will say it out. But Osaro Bin Laden, the Abetu one of UK, decided to silence this name. He don't want this name to be out. Maybe I have tried him. He could not manipulate him. Because Owe is a very transparent man so far. Now where in Nawa. Oh na even go there go hon. Iwa nawe. Agbon gba na ewe. Agba mene. At the end of the day, Mr. Essay, Mr. and Mrs. Essay called me and said, "Hey pa, we want to support AAC." I said, we have the men now. PFM is in debt. All PFM member, when you call them, he help me. They say, now you say we could support Sowore. Now you say we could support Sowore. I know they get 1 penny. I did it. I did back my bill. I did PFM rent everything. I did inside by myself. I said, this might want to do this. I said, okay. Hence, I'm not in Benin again. Let him go and do it. Let him try. I said, let him try. This man disappointed me by doing what I thought he could not do. He rented 3 offices. When AAC have no office in Benin, I gave them a secretariat. Iweto, Benin people, both Benin and Nigeria. If you gave somebody a house, a homeless organization, or a homeless person, you gave that homeless person a home. If that homeless person want to leave your house, is it not his or her duty to say, thank you for giving me a shelter when I have no shelter? Is that not supposed to be so? It's supposed to be. When Greg Obo were leaving PFM secretariat, he did not tell one person, not even thank you. Ungrateful person. Not even thank you. We heard that Osahon have organized with his cabal to put him in airport room. And Greg said, the money they brought, it's a story. That is not my business. We did not even know until we heard it. When they were not calling me, all coordinator were not calling me, Mega comrade, those state is finished. I say, now Greg and the cabal. Now Greg and the cabal, they were begging me. I tell them, even Henry Owe were calling me, begging. I told Henry Owe, the people I want Greg to work with are those UPP people and those good PDP members and some of the APC that are good. But Greg do Kagaro, whatever they call it, Wayo Edo State, what they call a convention. He just handpick people. You coordinator of Edo, you coordinator of when people want to contact even some barrister that came. Greg, they were shocked. The way Greg manipulated it, that small boy, that boy had the audacity to even insult me. How can I give you a home when you are homeless and you live and all you do is to spit in my face? Then you expect me to donate money for you over my dead body, and you are complaining that you want to quit. I was the one encouraging you. A quitter. Who want a quitter? Nobody want a quitter. If we want Edo State to succeed, we have to speak the truth. We have to speak the truth. I said, don't quit. He said, you should encourage me now. Because the pressure on me, I said, this guy cannot take pressure. We are not even started. In my mind, I was trying to surround him with good people. Don't forget, I am a correctional officer. That is my job. Igitma were telling me a common correctional officer. You, Igitma, you are telling me common correctional officer. And you say you have master degree, but you are not working with your master degree. You are Igitma. You are a full pamphlet degree. So, to shorten the whole story, that one, after maybe I organize a debate, I am winning organization. To shorten the whole story, Say Mr. and Mrs. Essay now brought 2 people. Femi, everybody know Femi Benin now. The guy that is carrying that mic, AFC that is going around. I post his picture. I mean his Facebook. Femi, he completely blew Edo State up. As Femi was doing it, Henry we were doing his own in Ovia. Femi completely. Immediately Greg saw that. Now Greg said, he guys now I'm your man. He will not go to Bubaka. Let me play this. Hold on. Oh, so we try to say this one, this one. I just look at this boy. I say, this boy, you want to be famous? I will make you famous. No problem. Let's play one of his videos. I don't lie. I always say the truth. Come on now. Let's do it. Let's play one of his videos so that the whole world can see what I'm saying. I am a very transparent and a honest man. If I tell you the truth and you feel that that truth is not good enough for you, now you sabi. You can call me whatever you want to call me. That is not my business. Mega comrade. Okay. Okay. This is not the one. Okay. Let's try this one. This is not the one. I think I sent this today, but unfortunately, okay. So, oh, okay. Now I know where I am. I'm on a different account. So, brothers and sisters, give me time. I have a limited time, but however, I will do it. Let me log into the real account. You have to speak the truth.
Whatsoever your siblings, your parents must have done.
Like what I told them, we all have to work together. We should train those who cannot do it. Say, well, how dare did I say train?
You are the only one that my hope is built on.
How dare did I use that word?
You are the only one I depend on in life.
You know?
Without you,
let me see.
Thank you, Lord Jesus.
Okay, when Osahon accused me of this, Mr. and Mrs. Essay, they now went and bring this guy. When they brought this guy, it was like this guy, Femi, went all over Benin. After that, this man had come out. Not that he's not doing his little thing. This is the coordinator. Look at him. This is the Edo State coordinator. He's a small boy. He has no mind to do what he's supposed to do. I'm not blaming him. Look at him. You can hear his voice now. Let me.
As we speak to you, we are Landmark Park about to start our.
Okay, hold on.
This is Edo State, Benin City. As we speak to you, we are at Landmark Park about to start our rally. Take it back. Take it back. AAC. Take it back. Yes, we are not going back anywhere.
Amen.
And we are about to start now. You can see.
You cannot sleep in politics. In politics, you cannot sleep talk. You cannot sleep talk. You have to check all category. Do you not see how Oshomole is vibrant? Oshomole, you cannot sleep talk. Let me show you another video to understand. Everybody cannot be the same. But you will allow people that will help you to work with you, not you picking those that are loyal to you because you just want a new move, a new party that just came out. You just want to completely take everything on your own. So let's watch this guy.
My fellow citizens of this great nation Nigeria,
As you can see, we are still on the campaign here at the Kadolo. Immediately we are through there, we are going to Oka for the next.
Wait, let me show you another video.
So please, our people.
This boy is Harrow King. It's everywhere.
Has come to take it back.
Everything.
Take it back.
Hey, you can feed it. You can feed the heat. This is Mr. and Mrs. Owe PFM member handwork. You can feed the heat. Why are we doing this? It's for us to win. Not for somebody to carry a portfolio. At the end, we all fail. We are not telling you we are taking your power away from you. You allow people who want to work. Engineer Francis in Ekmoma, Ekadolo, excuse me, sorry. Ese, Mr. and Mrs. Ese, they cover the Ekadolo. They have office in Kubaha. They have in Ovia. Engineer Francis is covering Ovia, not East. These are people that are working. Immediately I put Henry Owe account number out. Osahon went to platform. All his problem. Why can't we have our own account? Why can't we? He's a mastermind manipulator. A boy me. Imagine Henry Owe way. I don't. Maybe he's thinking Henry Owe is from Ewesi or Renigbe. I don't know. He went and cut Henry Owe video that I did. He cut it. That is all he know how to do. Evil people that are bringing information. This boy, they will call Grego, we not answer. All I told them, we should spread the executive. All Edo area must have executive. Not Edo South we just carry everything. Or Edo not to carry everything. No. But he don't want it that way. So if Edo State fail, it will be because of Osahon and Greg and the Akaba. I don't want to mention their name. You people already know them. He's supporting the other side. We know them. It will be for them. So if AAC want to do good, Osahon must put in quarantine. A quarantine, Osahon is Ebola. Osahon is Ebola Osama bin Laden. Ebola. It's an Ebola virus, Osahon. So, other people can do this job. A lot of people are doing it that I don't know their name. Like people like another essay in Ovia. Like people like Barrister. I can't remember his name. Like some Dikin Arawa. He sent money today. Osahon feed other people's struggle. It's a parasite. They are looking for money. How they can scam. Use AAC to scam. Scam APC or PDP. So we are not telling Edo people, donate to Henry Owe account. Donate to Henry Owe account. So that we will win Edo State. And we all have to work together. Greg must accept everybody that are loyal to AAC. Forget about power. We are not interested in power. Forget about post. We should put post aside. There's a reason why AAC go online and raise money. It's because of transparency. There's a reason why Mega Comrade come online and open their nyash. Because of transparency. I'm learning a lot. Transparency. Not tomorrow media will call you, how did this happen? No. If Osahon is not Ebola, why would Osahon be criticizing number one social media fundraiser for AAC, which happens to be me, Mega Comrade? Why? Today, am I raising money now? Instead of me to raise money for AAC, Is what Osahon doing now? Is he helping AAC? No, he's setting AAC backward. I didn't raise money now, and very soon I will get out online, and maybe 200 or 300,000 naira would have printed a lot of poster. Is Osahon a problem now or a problem solver? It's a problem. We are not raising money anymore. I said yesterday we're going to raise money today. We are doing it now because of Osahon, because he was chased out of PFM. PFM don't tolerate nonsense. Osahon, Ebola, Osama Bin Laden, London cabal. He are able to manipulate people in everywhere. He want to be popular by sneaking. I'll make you popular now. You cannot destroy AAC in Edo State. You were the source of Tony Kabaka. And you were the same person that were joining me to beat Tony Kabaka. Then after you find the look for money, you run. You say you don't want to die. You were the same person that were joining me to fight Albert Obaze. But at the end, you are not saying, take Albert. You are a rat. Albert don't even know you. You are a rat. Open. I told you, whatever you sow, you will reap it. Eva koi arrow. I told you, if you think you want to spoil Mega Comrade, let me tell you, you are doing like what I do is haunting me right now. By fighting for Kotisugbo, it's haunting me. I regret it. By fighting to protect him and his gang, I regret it. It's haunting me. So whatever you two do, it will haunt you for the rest of your life. God forbid Kotisugbo go to prison tomorrow. Who will fight for him? Not Mega Comrade. Lie. And those are already depend on people's money. They will never learn how to work on their own. Like Comrade Osazuwa of Orion. He's doing a standing job. Of Orion. A standing job. This boy called me many times. Hey, we don't have any poster. We are. I say, me, I don't want to talk about it. Go and ask Greg Obo. But after when I saw the way Showore, I said, Mega Comrade, help us raise, do this. Then I look at it. If Edo State fail, I fail. I will not allow Greg to put a bad structure down that will not benefit us. That is why PFM rise. Every innocent poor citizen, all my children that are donating, and we are all family. Some of them are my mother, some of them are my father. We are all carrying one cross. And I love them to death. So, JP, I don't think, admit that is there. I don't think to unblock from that page is very hard. So I don't think he can do it right now. Whoever the block is going, should go and open a new account. So that being said, let us move to the next chapter. Because I have like 20 minutes. So now, Edo people, you can see right now, APC member called me and said, Mega Comrade. He laughed. I said, what? He said, every part of Edo, he said there's AAC poster now. Can other state, Edo na number one in anything. Edo State, na number one. When you surround yourself with the good people, and the time people are praising me, that is when Osahon is attacking me. That is how you will know it's a Satan. Enemy of progress. Esuno Ebola, Osahon Ebola, Osama Bin Laden, I bet one of UK. Eh no, we are honey. Every respect of my all table mountain, man, I will really deal with it. I deal. As we are talking now, encouragement, empowerment matters a lot. Edo State today, APC called me and said, Mega Comrade, last week when I called you, I never thought that this will happen. I said, Mega Comrade, now Mega voice. Once I speak, all the poor citizens will respond. Wawesi. Thank you all. All the good people. Let our enemy go and die. Let them hang themselves. I want to thank all Edo people. I am telling you today, I am one of you. Don't remember I am the king of the poor. Obi go akbon. Obi go imiki. Everybody gbe ehun if anya gbe. Now waiting my hand key. Now my head carry. I know the brag. I am one of you. I am your father. And most people here are my mother. They even greet me. They are going to love the Baba. Why are you moving? When you there, I am do have money. Though must become number one. 2020 there will be metro, underground metro in Benin. All soon in Jesus' mighty name. When Mega Comrade become the governor of Edo State, we all the poor citizens, Edo State will be free with crime. In Jesus' mighty name. Edo State Italian government will go to Edo State and build that metro. Italian or France. Italian, the good government that will do it. They have helped Edo people so much. They will go come and treat this gas. Where's Shofi Mona? Mamuno. That's what it be. If Showore is not the president, we can't do that. If Showore become president, not that we cannot do it, but it will be difficult. If Showore is the president, all I will do pick up a phone. Comrade, that oil where we want to build metro from Benin to Esa North. We want to speed train. He goes say, Mega Comrade, I love Edo people. They were the most people that helped me. I love them. Go ahead, Mega Comrade. Simple. Simple. That is why I play that music. I'm a mason. I don't suffer. Like I told one of my Ipa today. I say, I am one of the mother and father of AAC. You cannot say your father is bad and say he's no longer your father. I am one of the biological mother or father of AAC. Except I live on my own. All they can do is to advise me. They will tell me the good thing I'm doing. They will tell me the bad thing I'm doing. I hold my own worry. You know if you drive your papa come up for your house. AAC is my house. Not only blood. It's my house. It's my life. So if you don't know it now, know it. I have labored for AAC. I have lost everything. People lost their life. Our heroes who have died, they just arrested some the other day, which have fought hard. Go and watch that video clip right now. It's almost 50-something thousand. Less than 2 days. 3 days that is posted. 3 days. It's 50-something thousand. Go and watch the clip. And you see, sometimes, when I was about to sleep, my wife said, it's like JP is in the WhatsApp one girl. I said, JP, when I look at them, my brother wake up in the morning, saw person insulting his own brother. I said, oh. But other person come here and say, just ignore him. I already know. When that one did video one day, he said, oh, you are doing good. He didn't know that he brainwashed that one. I just look at him, I laugh. My brother, always protect yourself and protect your brothers. Or with your bonds or say, well, that is why I will die for JP anytime. The death that will kill him, I will tell that death to kill me first. Kill me so that JP will help bury me. That is who I am. I am not perfect. There's nothing like Oriye Nogili anywhere. It shows everywhere. Osari is a small boy. JP can handle him in 1 minute. It's a small boy. Anybody that is scared of death will not do politics. People that are, I am a anti-corruption political activist. That is who I am. That being said, I want to thank those who have donated yesterday. Unfortunately, Osahon have spoiled. Osahon Ebola have corrupt today. We did not raise 1 penny today. No 1 penny. Is that good for AAC now? No. Anybody that will support Osahon, tell me, do we raise money now? No. That is to tell you, Osahon is a bad luck to AAC in Edo. Bad luck. Oha, nemo enosoy. Enyale no why or back. So, that being said, I I am here. I want the whole world to share this video to reveal APC mega comrade exposed APC evil strategy secret. And let's take back now. Let's take it back now or never. Call if only you want to support Sowore 2019 political revolution. My number is +1 469 618 2990. You can only call if you are supporting Omoyele 2019 political revolution. Sowore didn't tell me how to do that. You have to use your head. Use your brain, not pamphlet degree, and later become a security gate man in London. With you say you are master, you are doing security. I'm a beer. You a medical man go. Umaya when I masses. Umaya when you did not become a immigration in London, or you are because of your scamming record from Germany. You are holding a German passport. You cannot use it for something good. Shame on you. Nuisance. So, that being said, Akataka. Barrister Oge, Edo State SSG. Oge, you know I love you very much. I helped save you in back in the days in Niger College when you were not a barrister. Okay, I know you know me very well, and I know you. I don't want to say the name you know me with. Barrister Oge, how could you, a father of children, how could you allow APC political terrorists to implement and execute this plan? Okay, I am an investigator. Before anything you people are doing is always in my ear. Less than 1 minute, I don't get time. Even when you all were planning in government mansion how you're going to deal with Iranomio, I got everything. I want people to send this video to Oge, Edo State SSG, and Governor Godwin Obaseki. It's already, that one is already a disgrace. I heard he went to go and carry billions of billions. I have not confirmed it. Another 17 billion. Or I don't know. Let me confirm it first. Before he renked the young, before fire will fall on top of Governor Obaseki head. I want to confirm it first. I want to confirm it. Oh, vice president debate is going on now. Okay. So, allegedly, the secret, I heard a vice president debate is going on now. So, therefore, the secret of APC will be revealed on Monday. I will quickly say it, Barrister Oge. I sent some talk to be destroying posters and many more. We talk about it. So right now, I just got information. The vice president debate is going on China TV. Let us go and watch it. I love you all. Sowore will win. Thank you. God bless you. I have to sign off. Thank you. Good night, everyone. I love you all. Thank you. Thanks for the information. Let's go watch it. All the 700 people, about 800 people, go and watch. Now let's go, let's go. Destiny, let's go. Ostino, let's go. Straight to debate. Go and watch.